Okay, people, I'm here in Ijebode. I don't know where exactly I am in Ijebode, but I'm in Ijebode and I'm at one place, Odogbolu Local Government Traffic Task Office. That's where I am. So they said I passed through a place that is that there's a signpost, no U-turn, though I didn't see it. So the guy stopped me and said that, do I live in Ijebode? I said no, I'm coming from Lagos. He said, oh, okay, because I am a guest, that I should follow him to the office so that he can correct me, and then I would go. And I listened to him. That was deception anyways. And I listened to him. I followed him to their office, and the moment I got there, they seized my car key. And I said, I can't even sit in my car. I said, speak with you. Look at them. As I speak with you, they are holding on to my car, that I cannot, my car keys with them, and their office is hot, so I have to sit in my car with the AC. They said I cannot sit in my car, and they seized my car key, that I should pay a fine of 15,000 naira. That is the fine I'm supposed to pay on a place that I don't live, and I don't know their law, and there was no signpost. So I'm telling this man that he should take me there. Let me see the U-turn, because as far as I'm concerned, I'm a law-abiding citizen. Everybody knows that. As far as I'm concerned, I felt like, okay, let me see the offenses that I've committed. And then he said I cannot even. I even said the officer that came in with me should follow me back so we can see where the signpost is. And they're saying no, that I cannot move from here. Yeah, Ijebode, Odogbolu Local Government Traffic Task Office. Yeah, I'm waiting for, I've called Uncle Jide. I have not seen this in my life. At least if you know that I was wrong, road safety, a lot of times they arrest people and they give the receipt right there and then. You will not trick people to your office. As far as I'm concerned, I was tricked here. The guy said because I'm a visitor, I should come to their office for correction. I don't live in Ijebode, for fuck's sakes. I'm waiting. Mi ò gbọ́rú ẹ̀rí láyé mi. Even police officers will not do this. It's funny. Immediately I was treated like a criminal. You don't understand? Give me my car key. I want to take my phone in my car. They said no. Let me close my door. I said no. Me, you understand why that money me let you come to me? Me, couldn't be. Why? Kill it over drive. But kokoro moto wa lowo yi. She drive kokoro moto le fun yin ni. She drive kokoro moto le fun yin ni. Ebule ko moto e sile ni mi le wonu moto mi le joko so moto mi. She drive ki le fun yin ni. Kokoro wa lowo yin already. I don't understand. I've not seen this in my life. Because if I say I've got me really. He said I should come and climb Okada. Oh yeah, you know Lenu. Don't ever boo me, don't be rude to me, me boo you. I respect you. Me boo you. But what you say to me, so got rude to you. Shall respect you, if you're not be respect you. I respect you. Film don't show ma rope. What do I call that? Kimini eh. Film don't show ma rope tesa eh. Kimini. Kimini. Okay, no wala. Have fun. Osumi o. what you said to me, more than Ijabo, I go for our fellow ya film, your camera, I walk on the feedback. And go for one. I let that for walk on the camera. I walk on the camera. I the man was
the data, what I've data that you
I also knew. Gbogbo junction. Mobile for town hall. Let me show you their places. I want you. Nobody is talking to you. Because my buying sorrow. Say if me go koro moto mi. Abe mu like moto e ji le mi. Mo ma se won ka se wa yo. Se mo ni ke dobale. Kí ni mo ṣe tí ó dá? You two, you are hearing. It's good. Thank God it is live. So there's no way anybody will say I cut and join anything. They are not police officers.
We are tasked from local government. We are not police officers. Local government. And we task force. Illegal turning.
Mama ibi ba ṣe bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni kí n tẹ̀lé wọnú ọ́fíìsì mo tẹ̀lé ẹni kí n pack mọ́tò mo bọ́lẹ̀ mo wọnú ọ́fíìsì mi wọnú ọ́fíìsì kí ló ti mi nílé wájú yín ó dà mo ti gbọ́ ẹ má bínú mo ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nù. Illegal turn. I don't understand the illegal turning he's talking about. He said that when I got into his office, he told me that okay, we should go back to the place so that he can show me the U-turn. I said no wahala. Let him imagine Lumini. So he now said that. Oh. So he said I should turn and that we should go back to the place and check. I said, okay, no wahala. Let us go back to bed. He said I cannot go with my car anymore. That I should take Okada. How? How? You know, the painful thing is the guy tricked me to this place. That's my pain. He said, no worry, let me take you to our office for correction and they will release you because you are not an Ijebu, you don't live in Ijebu. He should have just told me right there and then, if whatever ticket that they have, cut it and give me. I want to safety man shebe. Kini yato, shebi traffic like that just where are you? Me moruko bi by say mobile for town hall. Mobile for town hall. People are here. No, the banks are already live. Instagram live anymore. Hey, that's my. You don't understand. The guy should have just said, you have done something wrong, you are arrested. At least. You won't tell me that because you are a guest. Let's make correction. Let me take you to our office so you can be corrected. What is that for? Is that not trick? Oh, buying sorry, me number sorrow live in the no, I mean their office. They are not area boys. They work here. No, the guy brought out form, a list of payment. He said if I'm an indigene, I'll pay 25,000. But because I'm a guest, I should pay 15,000. I don't feel any. I want to remember some You go almost away. Any kind of money me le gun kada. Any time gun kan mo no wun yin ke gun ni. Mo o wun yin je ko yato sí. He said they climb Okada. I say if he pay him now, he make and climb Okada. That one I say me I know if he climb Okada.
You wait the climb encore.
Oh wun yin ni now. Oh wun yin ni.
Beg ma do agbadua lo. E da won se ma do agbadua.
Juma Mubarak bawo. You don't you don't understand what I'm saying. Maybe the guy for just tell me for there instead of carrying me come here. You don't carry offense. So he can't lie to me say I know nothing that make I just come here correct me. He can't lie. Come here. If you just tell me for there, say oh yeah, you go pay social amount for there. So if you say I go beg, I go beg up. If you say we go talk, we go talk. But you can't tell me say I be guest. Make I follow you go their office. Say make they correct me. Why did you do that? This is my you know this is the problem. Siski, let me sit down in my car. There's no way I want to move the car without key now. They open the na comedian bí ó carry am go location wọ́n ní ká gbé yín lọ sí fíìmù pé comedian ni. No, na this. You don't even allow me talk. This was just for make you drop. Wọ́n ní kí n gbé yín wá kẹ́ máa ya fíìmù gbé yín funny gan. Ta ló máa gbé yín lọ fíìmù? Ẹ̀yin tí wàá yín ò dà.
Ẹ̀yin lè sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìjọ tí mo Ademola mi, nǹkan fún àbí ọ̀dà. Ó fún wọn lówó tó fún mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mọ́ni.
Ẹ mú ìwà ọ̀gá mi ni mú ìwà. Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ $7 ẹ mọ iye tó pa ni.
Gbogbo wa ló ti wá ṣe. Gbogbo ló ti ṣe. Wọ́n fẹ́ gbówó lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́.
Ibẹ̀ náà ni mò ń lọ. Ẹ máa yẹ fìyẹn lẹ̀ ẹ má wọrí pa olówó lẹ̀ dé.
Òun náà jáwó. Ẹ̀yin wà fẹ́ yàwó. Ẹ máa sanwó 200,000 lọ́wọ́ fún wa mílíọ̀nù kẹ́ tó lọ. Mú kí wọn wá. Yọmú kẹ́ wá mọ̀. Ẹ gbà.
Ẹ ṣe o.
200,000 lọ́wọ́ fún wa mílíọ̀nù kẹ́ tó lọ.
They did not act like my fans. Now it is now that they are acting like my fan. That time they didn't act like my fan. They seized my. Àwọn èèyàn gbóhùn mi máa wù yín lọ́gbọ́. If they have asked for something since, I would have given them since. They seized my car. You don't understand. They seized my car key. Now they just gave me the car key now. You want to pariwo? Okay, owó. Àwọn ọ̀kẹ́ owó kan ló ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Abi, they were not acting like my fan before. It is now that they are. Especially this man that look like me is.
Irú ikú tó pa Allwell Ademola yìí òun làwọn Yorùbá ń pè ní ikú òjijì. ikú òjijì Ọlọ́run kó wá rọ̀ gbogbo àwa òṣèré lójú o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ tẹ̀ ń wò wá náà tó ṣe pé rírí wa nìdùnnú tí Ọlọ́run kó rọ̀ ẹ̀yin náà lójú. Gbogbo ìlú kan gógó, gbogbo orí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì kan gógó nígbà tá a gbọ́ kú Allwell Ademola, àgbọ́júgbánú ikú. Erin wo ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n Regbódù, ikú pa Bírí, Abírí ti kú, ikú pa Bìrí, Abìrí rọ̀rùn alákejì, ikú pa kọ̀kọ̀ omi àkọ́dànù. Gbogbo ilé pa lọ́lọ́ nígbà tá a gbọ́ kú Allwell Ademola lójijì. Ó mà ṣe o, ó mà ṣe o. Tó ìgbà ọmọ orò lọ́ta, olúgbọ́njọ bí ọmọ asẹ́ tí mú mi kíkan ọmọ òṣìlẹ̀kùn palẹ̀kùn dé. Ìgbà ọmọ yúnmùyúnmù lóró dún, orò dún yúnmú, orò dún yúnmú, àtòrí dún nọmúnọmú nígbàlẹ̀. Ará ké màjó méjì má gbọ́rùn ṣọ̀hún. Allwell má gbọ́rùn ṣògo. Má jọ̀kọ̀ má jẹ̀kọ̀ lóhun tí wọ́n bá ń jẹ lájùlé ọ̀run ni kò máa bá wọn jẹ.